I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it, a life worth.
So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got better at watercolor painting.
My heart stops beating, I'm feeding.
Watercolor is, it's really difficult, especially as a beginner. You kind of feel that urge to create something good. But as a beginner, it's really, really hard because this is when you're starting out. Sometimes as beginners, we tend to look at the problems we're facing, such as, oh, my painting is not that good, my painting is this and that compared to that person. But you have to stop comparing yourself to other people or other artists who have been doing that for years and years and years. I give an example of myself. A couple months ago, I tried watercolor for the first time in my life. I'm a huge drawing and graphite charcoal pencil guy, so before I didn't try watercolor painting. Now I finally tried it a couple months ago, and bro, it was terrible. It was bad. You can check out the video on my channel. It's actually on my channel right now. It was bad. But compared to now, as I'm making this video, I am really proud of what I'm creating. One, it's because I didn't choose to pull myself down and say I cannot do it. Another reason I kind of became good is by watching tutorials on YouTube.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's trapped. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise.
Comment, subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, whatever the fuck you want to do. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time